Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Also, smash that thumbs up button. It greatly helps out my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on your Craftsman MTD lawn boy riding mowers how to remove the deck assembly on the bottom of the mower. First thing, if you haven't already, or if you've got, in this case the belt broke and that's why we got to remove it, so we can put a new belt on it. There's a series of pins you have to pull to release to move the deck assembly. There's one right here on this side, and there's one right here on the other side of this bracket right there, and then you have one right back here at the rear. It's on the other side, right on this bracket. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and get these on this side removed. Then we'll go to the other side and I'll show you that side. Also, it helps if you go ahead and just lower the deck all the way down so you can get to the pins. Like I said, there's one right here, and one right at the front, one right there. We'll go ahead and get those pulled out. We'll get to the other side. Be right back with you. Alright guys, we're right on the other side here. We got a couple pins here we're going to remove. One right here underneath, right by the back of the mower. And they just pull right out. And bracket flops to the ground. One right here on the front side. Dropped you there. Got the pin pulled out. There's one right there. There's gonna be one right here. Now guys, once you get that pulled off, you can lower all your brackets and slide the mower right out. Alright guys, that bracket not drop down. Alright, let me raise the deck up. Raise the deck up. It should slide right out. There you go, guys. Sorry, it's a little camera making it real foggy because of the sunlight. Tried wiping it off. It's making it real blurry. But that's how you remove the deck assembly on a Craftsman Lawn Boy MTD mower. Hopefully y'all found this video useful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a great day.